It's that time. I've finally rented the Sony A7 IV. I'm recording with it right now, and I'm using the 15mm Sony f1.4G lens, and it's an APS-C size lens, so I can't use the full frame with this, but it is 1.4, so that's the equivalent of about a 24mm 2.0. But that's not what this video is about, even though that is awesome. This video is about the feature that I was a bit surprised with, or should I say I forgot about it. I read during the press release, but forgot about it until I rented the camera now. And that is you can use this camera via USB-C as a direct webcam without separate interface, which is really, really nice. Oh dear, that's not going to sound very good. Slapping my hands against my knees. I won't be doing that again. Anyhow, there's something very specific that caught me about this feature. So there's 3 different resolution and frame rate settings. There's 1080p 30, which makes sense, that's a standard. There's 1080p 60, also a standard, and that's gonna look really nice. It's gonna look similar to this video right now, very smooth and lifelike, just what you want for a web conference. But it's the 3rd option that I'm dumbfounded by. It's 4K, so high resolution, at 15 frames per second, which is not a standard. And everybody on the other side is going to say, oh man, your image looks so good, but it looks like you're dropping a lot of frames or your internet connection's going down. And you're going to say, oh no, see, that's because my Sony camera right here is 4K, but it's, yeah, no one's going to buy that. Just do the 1080 60, or heck, if you have a powerful computer and, well, no, the processor probably couldn't handle it, but let's say it could, and your computer could handle it, and your bandwidth could handle it, 4K 60, or 4K 30, or 4K 24 if you're going for a cinematic zoom, I suppose. But 4K 15, who's that for?